Hi everyone, welcome back to Diamond Paintings with Mike, and look what I've got. I am so happy because this is the set that I was trying to find the other day. Did the come shop with me, we go out the shop and did the video, and Harris mentioned on the comments that he saw it. Well, the one that was above the bow was actually the Fruity Summer version. This was there the whole time where I showed you the Christmas cards and the cow bags and all the other Christmassy bits. It was on the right at the bottom of the shelf, but someone put something in front of it, like a hamper thing, and I had another look on the shelf and I was like, it's got to be here. I mean, if it's on the website saying in stock, it has to be there. So I looked on the bottom shelf and there it was. It was literally tucked behind another item, so that's why I couldn't find it. Now, let's get into this because I'm super excited for this. So yeah, I cannot thank Harris enough, because if he didn't notice that on the shelf, I don't think I would have gone back to see if I could find it. So yeah, so in here you pay £10 and you get 4 diamond paintings. I do just want to give a shout out to Paula's Crafty Corner because she unboxed these and I really like them. So if she didn't unbox that, I probably wouldn't have known these existed. And what's really lovely about these, you get 4 designs, but you get the recipe of each item for that drink. So we've got warmed eggnog, mulled wine, hot cocoa and gingerbread, and these would be perfect for putting in your kitchen because then you've got the recipe there and then. So you've got obviously all the designs, all your usual stuff, the wax and pens and all that. They even give you 4 trays. I mean, obviously if you're going to be working on one at a time, you probably wouldn't want 4 trays, but you also get the 4 hooks as well. And I think they need to do a lot more of these type of kits more often, like because where you're normally paying like, I don't know, £3 for one kit, I think they should do a lot more bundles because you get so much more paintings and you get more than one item. So let's get into here. Oh look, this is packed beautifully. So in here they're all like individually wrapped, so this is going to be interesting. Oh, what a love it. Oh yes, this is lovely. And this is what they've done, that they've taped each one because obviously they're separate. So you get twice as many bags, twice as many wax trays. Oh, it's lovely. Oh wow. So we're gonna have to find some room here. Let's go for the first one. Let's bring this down. So this will just come off easily, as you can see. It's like masking tape, as you can see. And the first one, what have we got? Let's just double check a minute. These are our usual kit. You do get your brackets with them, bags, pen, tray and wax, and this is our first kit. So, oh, it's the best one. Look at that, mulled wine. Cool, this is very pretty, isn't it? It's not until you get it in person that you get the wow factor, because it's lovely seeing it like other people unbox it, but until you get it in your hands, you don't know what it's going to look like. So you only get like a rough idea. This is very pretty. It feels like the scene from Willy Wonka, you know, with all them different colours in that lovely where the chocolate river is, and all them, you know, them cups that he picks up and drinks and eats and stuff. But yeah, this really is quite nice. Look at that. So mulled wine, you get the recipe here. 2 tablespoons of sugar, 125 ml red wine, cinnamon stick, star, and oh my god, what's a star anise? I've never heard of that. Wow. 2 cloves, 1 ginger garnish with orange and lemon. Now that is fantastic. My sister would love these because she loves making cocktails, but just look at all the colours going on in this painting. It's absolutely gorgeous. And let's take over, so look at some of the stick here. And stick is really lovely. I'm not going to take the stick off for each of them because it's going to take too long, but as you can see, the Happy Holiday, nice font there. I just love the leaves of this. I think the drink's just sitting on like the leaves. It's beautiful. Even down to this little candy cane is fantastic, and the way they've done the glass is you can actually see what's in the glass because you've got a bit of lemon there. This is a stunning set. I'm so happy I got these. 4 for a tenner. Absolutely brilliant. Okay, so in here we have these now sets of wheels here, and as you can see, we have ourselves this one here, which is a pink. We've got a white, a green, a red, an orange, a peachy colour, an orange, a yellow, terracotta sort of coffee colour there, another sort of beige, a bluey grey, a red, and a purple. This is stunning. Wow. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to probably put that there and then just put that over that so that I know that that's for that one. So let's put that over to one side, because the next one we've got, what's it going to be next? I love it when you get it like the back side up, because you don't know what one you're going to get until you have a look at it. But as you can see, let's see what our next one is. That has got whacking great big lump of bags. Look at that. Fantastic. Okay, and the next one is, I'm going to guess it's hot cocoa. Is it going to be hot cocoa? No, gingerbread. Oh, look. You get a little gingerbread man. Oh, this is lovely. And look, that's a lovely little placard with the, you know, the gingerbread on it. Lovely colour by the looks of it. And you get a snowflake on here. Oh, this is a stunning, stunning set. The colours of the background are superb. And just look at this stencil going on. I find it so fascinating when you're in the coffee shop and they do that. It's very, very interesting how they get the design onto it, because they have to pour it a certain way. And then you've got like a little tree on there. Oh my God, these are beautiful, beautiful kits. I really, really am tempted to get the summery version now. But as a rule, I don't tend to buy summer paintings once summer has been. But yeah, this is, I don't think I've ever had anything with a recipe on before. And this one's really nice because they've gingerbreaded, you've got the logo of the so you've got the word diamond painted there. Holly and ivy and all sorts there. Even a little present, pine cones. This is a stunning, lovely drink. Wow, what a lovely, lovely one that is. So I'll put that one there for the minute. Let's take a look at our drills. This is fantastic. Wow. Okay, so we've got a light blue, like a tealy blue. We've got a purple. Oh, that's an interesting colour. It's not quite purple, but it's like a very sort of dark bluish colour. That's interesting. Dark green, we've got an orange, we've got a brownie colour, a brown, another brown, sort of brownie colour, well, grey I suppose, peach, green, and we've got a grey, what's that, a purpley colour, a hot pink, a green, a brown, and a white. This is gorgeous. Oh wow, these, I think this is my best purchase of all year. Purely because I just love the fact that you've got 4 in the pack, and you know, you don't have to, yeah, you've got 4 in the pack and you've got the recipe. I just think that's fantastic. So I'm guessing this might be the eggnog then. Is it going to be eggnog or is it going to be hot cocoa? My guess is it's eggnog. And is it going to be eggnog? No, hot cocoa. Oh, I'm not very good at predictions. I'm normally pretty good. Because when Cameron got evicted from Big Brother, I guessed it right. So, yeah. But this one's really cool. You've got a lovely light hot chocolate drink. And these are like them chocolate straws. You know them chocolate straws that you scoop the milk up with? You suck the milk up and then you can eat the straw. I love eating them, and they do all sorts of flavours in B&M's, like the strawberry ones as well. Again, hot cocoa. This might be a Kit Kat. It looks very similar to a Kit Kat. Probably a Viennese swirl there. Some cookies and some chocolate. A lovely present. It's making me want to buy biscuits, this one. And then obviously the word hot cocoa there. So you can tell a lot of work has gone into the design of this. Again, another big batch of bags and hooks and all them lovely goodies. And these are our drills in this one here. So let's take a look and see what we got. Wow, look at that. Okay, so we've got a light blue, we've got a teal, we've got an orange, another orange, a green, and a brown, and another green, darker brown colour, a bluey colour, a red, a pink, a green, a brown, a peachy colour, a sort of beigey colour, another beige, and a white. This is lovely. Oh my god, now we're to the last one. Oh, it's such a shame because I wish there was more. Like, there's such a lovely set, this one. But yeah, I think they need to come out with more bundles because you're getting a lot more for your money. So again, a nice big batch of bags and hooks and stuff. And this definitely, there is a bit of a mark in there, but it's because they probably put the masking tape on. But this definitely has to be the eggnog. Funky baby. Wow, look at that. That is absolutely stunning. Wow. Oh, this is gorgeous. Look at that. So you've got the whipped cream. It looks like orange flavoured there with the straw. I love these little bushes going around with the cherries on. This is fantastic. Warmed eggnog. I've never actually had eggnog. Like, what is it? It's obviously something with egg, but just look at that. Oh, yeah, I don't really like the sound of eggnog, so I think it's just the sound of it. I think if someone was to give me, I would, you know, probably try it, but I just don't know what it is. I mean, a snowball is basically avocado with lemonade, but I love snowball. And the only time of year I drink that is obviously Christmas. So, and then obviously here we've got ourselves the white, the orange, a brown, beige colour, beige, red, green, dark green, fantastic, an amber, brown, green, brown, yellow, an amber, an orange, a black, a sort of purpley grey colour, and a lilac. So, oh my god, what a fantastic set of paintings these are. These are absolutely out of this world. If you want to get these, the links are in the description of the video. You do get 4 in a pack, so I can't give you individual links because they all come in the same pack, but they're retailing at £10 at the moment, so do get them quick. They're in the Christmas section, or you can get them online. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, and if you haven't done this already, you know what to do. Tap that ring-a-ding-dong bell, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you next time. And don't forget to like as well, and I will be bringing you lots of more brand new fabulous diamond paintings coming soon. Have a wonderful day, people. Take care, and we'll see you on the next one. Ta-ra for now.